come you didn't play? How come you didn't play?
So it's too late to.
Too late to be fair, there was a lot.
Yeah. And I don't think my level could like play tier 4.
Maybe some training.
Yeah, I need some
Training with Andy.
Well, he asked me to teach him how to do like puppets or how to do the crafting, and he taught me how to play badminton.
Yeah.
赢了一局了，对。
对面赢了1局。多少分
？10几比21吧。Oh, can you remember the score for the first game?
No, but it was destruction. Finally, now it's time for combat.
Made in吗？
Oh, it's in.
Is it? Is it?
Is it in?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I thought it was out.
I thought it was out.
哎呀！Chill, chill. Calm down, calm down. Nice shot.
I feel like they're attacking a lot, but they're just not getting any points.
Nice shot.
Keep attacking.
We're really tired then.
Uh-oh.
Ay,
double frame.
yeah.
That guy's not even holding the racket up. He's so relaxed.
Ai,
他膝盖不行吗？哎呀！
差一点点。So cool.
我的名字。我已经打了，还打一打。
超级牛逼！
分神了，还是他受伤了？应该。
吃了我都全部都吃进肚子，
他杀头开始没力了，有点不行，累了已经。Yes, it's in a.
我那边还有2根。
你那边还有几根？还有10根这里。你这那里
Oh, yeah, he's injured, I think.
เปลี่ยนสักเป๋นะ
Okay, made it here. I still have to wait for my fucking boost station because he's the guy that has in the fire. Oh, but then he has to have a rest now because he's going to fire. The other person first. So we're going to wait another hour. Oh my god. Well, you're going to be so
会腰啊，
他这个比较难，比较难，
节奏很快。
其实他技术到位没办法去改项，
Yeah, take a weekend. Yeah,
想改也改不了。Andy， 吊扯多一点。
It's good. That one that's high touch, but
不是，我觉得对方好像真的。
对面那个听懂了呀，肯定能啊。讲霓虹歌啊。他已经力竭了。
jump straight up.
in a，好不爽啊！
Andy.
累了。
He's exhausted. I think.
打不动。
笑死。